What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're out here in the shop today working on my hood on my friend's truck, this Freightliner Columbia here. The hood's cracking on it. We're just doing a little patch job on it. What I told him would be the quickest, least expensive way to go about doing this. I got my truck over here. I'm working on the flat tire on. Had a slow leak. I don't see anything in it, but it's got a hole in it for some reason. And so I'm gonna pull that off. I swear I have a flat tire about every 2 weeks, I think. But anyway, I'm gonna show you what's up with this hood here. And we've already got it fixed here. I'll show you what I did. What the deal is, the inside of the hood here, as you can see, is cracked here. And this is where your inner hood mount is. It mounts in the center there. It comes across and ties into these main pieces. And the front of the hood had begun to separate. And I got some urethane. It's the only thing I got local. They don't have any panel bonding adhesive locally. And so I got some urethane, you know, like holds a windshield in. It's 3M window weld. I'll show you the tube in a minute for those of you who don't know what it looks like. And anyway, I pumped that up in there because this was a gap right here. I took a 1/2-inch drill bit and drilled a hole right here, right in between. If you can see the bolts right here, these two bolts, this bolt went right in between right there, so it missed where these bolts are sticking out and come through the front of the hood. And I squirted this full of urethane and then tightened the bolt up to pull that urethane together right there. And we're letting it cure now. And I'll show you the front of it here. And you can see the hood obviously is rounded and the bolt goes in straight. So you can see what that looks like there. But I mean, it's really no different than the bolts sticking out of the bumper. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. You know, this is a 07 truck. He said he wasn't worried about it. He just wanted it fixed so the hood didn't fall off so he could open and close it. And you can see right here, this was, like I say, this had separated, and I pulled it back a little bit and squirted some urethane up in behind here and filled this crack up, and then tighten that bolt up so that it pulls it down, and we're letting the urethane cure. And this side over here was actually worse than the other side. And you can see it's already started to spider web and crack out here. Not a whole lot I can do about that really, but I mean, it may not be the prettiest thing in the world, but hopefully it's functional and it'll get it where its hood will close. So that's just an idea on how to go about patching your hood. If you know, it only took us really a couple hours to do this. Time we went to the parts house and got some bolts, and those are 1/2-inch by 6-inch long bolts. You could probably get by with a 5.5. A 5 was, I had some 5s and they were too short, but that's what we wound up doing. I think that'll work out pretty well because when this separates right here, it allows your hood to move forward and it won't latch back here on your latch. I'll show you on the other side over here as well where it's done wore, because the hood on the right side over there had shifted forward further than the left. This is on the side of the truck right here. You can see the vibration. The hood is shifted over right here. And so hopefully we got that fixed up the best that we can without doing any serious body work and having to repaint anything or anything. So anyway, hopefully that gives you guys a couple of ideas on that. Might save yourself a little bit of money if you got an older truck. Anyway, guys, this is the 3M window weld. Most Napa stores, even AutoZone, carries this. Nobody carries the panel bonded adhesive that they actually use on these truck hoods, other than you can order it off of eBay, and it's a 2-part epoxy. You have to have a dual cartridge caulk gun. And for the gun and the epoxy, run you about $100 off eBay. But that right there, you know, it holds windshields in, and it's actually, I think, used for some light duty bonding of body panels and stuff. So with those bolts in there, it should be good. Anyway, hopefully this gives you guys a good idea or whatever, and may save you a little bit of money. Thanks for watching. I got to get over here and change this tire. I'm not going to do another tire changing video or another tire repair video because I feel like I'm having to do this about once every 2 weeks now, and it's kind of gotten old. But anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you guys next time.